Hi guys. I am currently filming a vlog for you guys. It's not really Vlogmas because I know I won't be able to keep up with Vlogmas, but it's just, I don't know, I guess my version of it. So you guys let me know if that's something that you actually want me to release. This is gonna definitely go out before because I'm filming it all through today. And let me know if that's something you would like to see through December of me just sort of vlogging what I do in a day. I have an update about orders, and then we're going to get into what this video is about. My update is I wanted to tell everybody that I am overwhelmed and overjoyed and so grateful for the amount of support and comments and kindness I've been receiving. It has been humbling and mind-blowing. I love all my OG babies, and I love all my new friends and fam that has joined. And I wanted to tell you guys thank you for your support as far as orders go. It's been wild. So on that, all orders are done. They are completed except for the Christmas boxes, which I don't ever start until the final day, which is tomorrow. So I used this past week and a half to get all the non-subscription box orders done. They are all done. I appreciate everybody's patience with the shipping issues. I am not accustomed to that many orders, so it, but I think I mean, for hand-dyed, hand-painted yarn and how many orders I had, I'm really proud of myself. I worked really hard, and I got them all done. And most everything has been done for a couple of days. But of course, when all of these wonderful blessings of orders came is when our car broke down. So our car's in the shop. So I don't have the ability to get the orders to the shipper because I don't use Pirate Ship or anything like that. My husband ships it from his work. And so all last week our car was in the shop, and so he couldn't take it up there to work, but they weren't really ready anyway. That last week was when I got the orders, so I was completing them. And then our mechanic, his dad passed the day we were supposed to have our car worked on. His dad passed, and you guys know how it is when you find a good mechanic, you don't go anywhere else. And we've been burned. I mean, we've tried, I think, every mechanic around here all the way over to where my boss works throughout the past 10 years. And we've had we've had nothing but issues time and time again. This is the first place we have found that has been truly good. And I know a lot about cars, so I know when I'm being played and when I'm not being, and so that would be very upsetting anyway. So we stuck with our mechanic. We're like, yes, of course we will wait. So our car is still in the shop. So my husband is using other means of transportation, and he can't bring, tons of orders there. Plus, he's not in the shop at all this week. He is out in Detroit at a job, like a job site the whole time. And he's leaving at 5 in the morning and not getting home until 10 at night. So he can't even get to the shop to mail the stuff out. And anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that. So everything will be going out tomorrow and Thursday, because he will be back in the shop then. So if you don't get tracking tomorrow, you'll get tracking Friday. Anyway, which still, I hope most understand, I am one person. You guys, most of you have seen my setup. I'm one person. I can only have 2 pans going at a time, and I have major health issues. So there is processing time. I think I still got them done really fast. So anyway, that's the update on that. So I did a no-no. I did a thing. And my anti-buying, well, I can't be held responsible. Kraemer released mystery boxes, and Dee from Dee's Creative Hands opened her box up and got exactly why I keep buying these boxes in her box, and that is the sparkly yarn. I always get the mystery boxes in hopes of seeing that. By now, I could have just bought the sparkly yarn. So I bought myself 2 of the 10-pound mystery boxes because they didn't have the 20-pound. So we're going to open those up today, and I stopped watching as soon as I saw her pull out 2 different kinds of sparkle yarn. Well, then Crystal from Bag O' Day, my fairy yarn mother, has uploaded hers the day after, and she got exactly what I got last time when I ordered these a couple months ago. So I was like, no, I don't know which one I'm gonna get, and I'm going to cry if I get the same stuff I got last time. Okay, I will not cry, that's dramatic, but I'm really hoping I get the sparkle stuff and maybe some undyed yarn. By the way, meet Tobias. He is my new rubber ducky. He is a plain ducky, but I don't care. For those that don't know, I have a little bit of a rubber ducky obsession. Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Rubber duckies, elephants, Animal. Animal was the start. Actually was my nickname as a kid, Animal. I was wild. So anyway, all right. Let's see. Interesting. So I got the thank you card. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. So we have some Christmas hinks of what I'm assuming it feels like acrylic, maybe acrylic and merino. For sure an Aran weight, worsted weight. Yeah, I think that's acrylic. There might be merino in it, I'm not sure. Then I have 2 of this black and gray, what do you call this? I know the word. I'm having a lot of processing issues today. Whatever this is called, for those who can't see it, it's black and white. Is this marled? I think it's marled. So 2 of those. Wait, are these the same color? I don't think these are the same color. 2 black and white, and I think these are a different color. This is the same thing, and I think it's brown and tan. And so in the brown and tan, I have 5. And those feel like acrylic. I think those are just acrylic. Okay, I did get some undyed yarn. Yay. I got 5 hanks of them. And this does not feel like wool, not 100% wool. I think this might have some, this has something else in it. This might have silk or tinsel in it, or maybe it's cotton or bamboo or something. I don't know, but this doesn't feel like 100% wool. I like it, and it's got like a sheen to it. Then this is all the stuff I got last time. Hold on. Okay, so I did get this last time. There are 5 of these blue, and it has like little bits of other colors in it, of like I don't know, other blues, and maybe like a cream, I guess. These also feel like they might be acrylic or acrylic with merino. it's kind of looking like this is maybe an all acrylic box or something. I also got it in red, which is beautiful. And I also got it in tan, which I got all of these last time. Okay, and then these, which I am so allergic to. These are the mohair acrylic. It's a 1 weight. So I'm gonna put those over here. And then, which I got, I've received those in every single box. I got more of the green ones that I got in my last box, and more of the blue ones that I got in my last box. And what these are is for sure like maybe acrylic, or not acrylic, well, yes, acrylic, but these are for sure cotton, maybe cotton linen, and acrylic. I think that's what they're made of, is cotton, linen, acrylic. It's what it feels like. So this is basically the same box I got last time, slightly different, but I got those green ones, I got the blue ones last time, I got these last time, I got the tan ones last time, I got the blue ones last time. Where did the other one go? Oh, there it is. And I got the red ones last time. And I got a different color of the black and gray and the brown and tan last time as well. So it's a little disappointing, but that I kind of assumed it would probably go that way, so that's fine. It's still a really good value. These are like, I think $35, and then like $12 to $15 shipping for 10 pounds of yarn, and this was actually 12 pounds. So and then I got these 5 hinks, so that I'm really excited about. I love it when I get the hinks. So there is that one, and then I have one more, which is most likely going to be the exact same thing. Alright, thank you. Okay, I got 3 more of the black and gray marled. I've got 5 more of the brown and tan marled. That's weird. A very small amount of pink and green. I did get more of the undyed. And then same. I'm not even gonna unbox it. It's all, I just went to the bottom. It's all the exact same stuff as the other one. So that's the risk you run, especially if you buy 2 at the same time. So I'm not sure how Miss Lucky Duck D got her sparkly yarn, but she is a lucky lady. I did not, I'm just gonna have to actually order it. I mean, by now I could have had quite a few of them with how many Kraemer mystery boxes I've ordered, but it's fine. It's not a big deal. Am I disappointed that I didn't get the sparkle yarn? Well, of course it's sparkle yarn, come on. But this was a really good value. I probably won't use just about any of this, to be honest with you, because I'm a picky snob. I'll use the undyed, and I'll probably use the red. I am going to use the blue and the green cotton. I do have a like cover up that I want to make out of each of those respectively. But the rest of it, especially the stuff I'm allergic to, will go in giveaways and stuff. And in fact, that is what we're going to do right now, is a giveaway on the one that I showed you that I am allergic to, the mohair. But that's good for you guys, because that mohair is what people really, really love about Kraemer. That's one of the yarns people love the most. Oh my gosh, my face is itching. So if you want to be entered in to win the giveaway, just put in the word yarn in a comment below. Please don't just say yarn, put it in like an actual comment. And then today is the 7th. I am going to draw on the 15th. So you guys have 8 days. And if you guys could do me a favor, I'm gonna do what Crystal did with her giveaway with me. Can you guys go over to Fibromyalgia Yarn Resin, Nicole? We are trying to get her to 1,000, and she's at 875 last time I checked. I know 125 people can go over there and subscribe to her. It would mean a great, great deal to me if you guys helped her get to 1,000. It's not required as part of the giveaway, but it would really mean a lot to me to see her meet that goal, and I know it would mean a lot to her. So I will leave her channel in the description box below. But yeah, so put in a comment with the word yarn in it, and you'll get 10 skeins of that mohair yarn. Or should I do 2? In your comment below, you guys let me know whether you would want me to do 1 winner or 2. So it'll either be 10 skeins or 5, depending on if it's 1 or 2. And I'll draw on the 15th and let you know kind of what the census was. And we'll do that. It is open to all 50 states. And yeah, so okay. Love you guys. Toodles.